Alright, what are we doing on this Integra?
Illegal shit.
Deleting all the emissions. Didn't someone just get sued for this?
Good.
They're making parts or something.
So that's getting replaced. This is getting replaced. That's getting replaced.
Hot! So we're going to disassemble this POS. Dogs are barking at us. And we have, what are we putting on? PRL.
PRL. Same shit everybody else does.
And the super sweet Alibaba's downpipe.
Yeah, we're about to see how this $100 downpipe works.
From the Alibabas.
I spent $100 on the pipe and $100 to Cerakote it. So.
Jesus Christ. So $200. Alright.
See if it fits.
Let's get to it. Alright, step one, get the O2 sensor off, just to get it out of the way, and then we'll do the air box and inlet elbow and all that bullshit. I think that top is the part that comes off, not the bottom.
This one?
Yeah, so maybe just leave it. Bruh, look at this. I'm fucking killing myself today. That's sharp.
Yeah, so like we can't even, you gotta get this unhooked.
Ooh.
You're done.
Look at this.
You're done.
Nice. I'm dumb. Fuck off. Dude, my arm just got split in half.
Oh my god, dude.
Look at this.
What are you doing?
Look at this. It's literally like split.
You're retarded.
It's disgusting.
Go away.
Alright, cool. I'm going inside.
I'm kind of retarded.
The gasket. So there it is. She comes right off. And now the car's never going to run again.
Warranty.
Alright.
Put everything back on.
Give a little quick update now. We got everything removed, stripped.
Gutted.
Take the heads off. No, we'll do the downpipe
Heat
now.
shield.
Yeah, heat shield and downpipe. Alright, so are those 12s, yeah?
Yeah. Take this
Take the extension off
there. I fucking love that.
Sponsored by Bricky.
Oh, yeah. This probably costs more to make than like just Cerakoting it from factory.
Yeah.
So who hit it with a fucking sledge on top?
Why is the wastegate actuator blue?
It's like cold steel, like. There we go.
Sweet.
Ah! Oh my god.
Oh, why is the head spinning but the other side's not spinning? I don't know what's going on there. He's broken. Okay, this one too now.
Baba boo.
Why is the downpipe still hot?
I started for like 2 minutes. Higher.
I'm aware. That's the benefit of the 12 point, I guess. Oh, Jesus Christmas. The M18 in here in a second. Oh, that one's loose.
That explains the boost leak.
Literally. Alright, we'll probably get a...
You probably get in there. Gotta get that hose out of the way. I was able to click it one more towards the engine.
Alright, watch out.
I don't know if that's good or bad.
I'm going home.
I think it's good. I'm going home.
I am home.
Close the garage.
Close the garage. Alright, so we're going to use the right angle impact. Try it out.
This is that everybody dreads about this.
God damn it.
Hey, what's a PB blaster? I think I'm safe. I better.
Stop mumbling.
Just to be safe?
Yeah, we can. It's in the cabin over there. Go grab it. That's one with the car. The problem is that if the bolt...
It's okay if the bolt breaks, or we cut the nut off.
No. How are we going to get the stud out?
Just don't damage the threads.
Okay, so we already snapped one of the studs, so that's great. Yeah, that's a nightmare. So Now we're gonna jack the car up, we'll get underneath, we'll undo the bottoms. Hopefully those all come out pretty easily, and this way we can,
Those are just nut and bolts down there.
well, there's also one bracket, that's why there's that downpipe's got
Five,
that one
yeah.
little, the fifth hole, it's just a bracket, so we're gonna take that off too. So we'll get it jacked up, we're gonna do all this, and then hopefully we can get that stud out.
Wild.
Let me give you a close-up look of what we're dealing with here. I'm gonna zoom in. So as you can see, right there, point to it, snap.
Pow!
Yeah, turbo upgrade. So in typical Grazi Garage fashion, we didn't record anything, and downpipe's out. That's the broken stud. Down there, there's two brackets. I took the bolt off the actual transmission instead of the one off the downpipe. They're very hard to get off. We'll transfer those over to the other downpipe.
Got heat scorch. Look at that.
Garbage,
All those 6K launches I've been doing.
literally. So yeah, we're gonna transfer everything over to the other downpipe and then get it back in the car. Alright, so we opted for the titanium studs here and here. We're leaving this stud because we can't get it out, and that stud broke, but there's enough threads that we could still put a nut on it. This is the biggest issue with these cars, that these studs break. We experience it, and this one will not come out. So instead of going down this rabbit hole of getting this out and ending up taking off the hot side, we're just going to send it and put it back together with the downpipe, and if Ricky decides to do a turbo upgrade at some point in time, or if we just get bored one day when we're done with everything else, maybe we'll take this off and fix this. Alright, so once again we've ran out of daylight, so we're going to start figuring this out and hope for the best. Alright, so here's the PRL, right?
Yeah.
PRL titanium crossover intake pipe dealie. Turbo inlet pipe. We're going to do a little burn action on this because this is titanium. So without killing myself, I'm going to try to put a little color here around the welds. The fun thing about titanium is there's nothing happening and all of a sudden things are happening. And then if you don't realize it and you put too much heat, it just goes back to being silver and then you have to repolish the pipe. We don't want to do that.
Much later.
I should angle it.
So this is the PRL cast elbow. Ricky's painstaking. Use a. Can you get an open-ended on? No. Wow.
No, it's a 12 point.
I know, but that's really tight clearances.
Yeah, and this thing is like tight as hell. And it still has like the provision for the factory
10
bolt.
mil?
It's
Yeah.
like no fucking shot, dude. Look at this thing.
Yeah, that's gonna be tough. We'll figure it out. All right, so we're getting everything laid out to put everything back in now. We're gonna do the up pipe or a crossover pipe, turbo inlet pipe. We've got a couple of couplers there, the hose clamps here. Yeah, so we're gonna get started. Is that the one for there? There's a little bend on it.
There's like a step down. I wonder where.
That's probably it.
Probably pull the instructions out. Let's see. Oh no, it's just like a bend.
Instructions are for stupid people. Maybe you should read the instructions.
Let's see. Think I should put them in the front or in the back? Oh, this one's a little fucked.
What do you mean?
Like the screw.
I'll leave it in the back. Oh, I'll put the hose clamp on. Maybe. Possibly.
It's a little tight already. That's yeah, I can finagle it in place.
Needs to go in more.
You got the gloves.
He wants the gloves.
This just looks nice. That's a nice burn. Good job. Sick bird, bro.
Thanks.
Clamps.
I already tightened them
This one's tight?
They're tight.
Why is it so fucking...
because the clamp's barely big enough for that. All right, so
This little guy with the baby.
yeah, good luck.
Really good luck. It's silicone. It's just a baby.
All right, but it needs to go this way.
Huh?
This way?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Look, I just took it out of the plastic. How was there a leaf on it? There's the clamp.
Mistakes.
Probably
were
should have
made.
put that on first.
Mistakes are made.
This has a little play.
Yeah, we're good. Oh, put the clamp. Yeah, under, yeah. Oh, bitch.
What?
There's no fucking hose clamp on there.
There's also no logo on the freaking this side of the clamp. What?
There's no logo on either side.
Really?
Yeah. Dollar
There
Tree.
is though.
Not on this one though.
100% there is.
There isn't. I just flipped it over and looked. There wasn't.
What? No! No!
Shun the non-believer. Candy Mountain.
Hold on. I got a feeling.
Woohoo! What's your feeling?
That's a nice gonna be good. This is an alternate for this. Like you delete this, but we'll see what happens with the intake.
We're not doing that. All right, we're trying to figure out how to assemble the PRL airbox. Making my way downtown.
ED has affected my confidence.
Ask your doctor if your heart is healthy enough for sex.
Sherry says,
What the fuck?
Why are
That's on your Wi-Fi.
Why are you watching ED fucking commercials on YouTube, bro?
PRL HDI.
How to regrow your
How to
hair?
fix my
I think
dick.
this improves how the car sounds stock.
Bro, where's the
So,
fucking hardware? What are you supposed to use?
and there they
Just
come.
open more of the box. Unbox more. There's instructions.
Wow, those come up very easily. Pull them right out. There's these little clip things.
No way.
See a tool, so I'm gonna do this by hand.
Oh, I see.
So the math goes up, right?
No, back.
Now we're gonna take this little bad boy, and he is going.
Let's chop it.
This guy stays loose like this down here.
Where does this thing go? This is important. This goes down. This has got to go in first.
Look over there. There's stuff here. Like there's provisions for stuff. Like look. Jane has no idea that I'm installing this. I'm just gonna get in the car the next time.
It's going to be like a rocket ship. Loud.
Just be careful with the cone.
Oh, this shit's like way too fucking tight. Come on, baby. Oh,
Cool. Yeah, that's great. It's just getting another one. To armor all the fuck out of this thing.
Hello? Like we moved like out of the frame.
We're like over here. It's just me and my balls. Look at this shit. Why?
Yeah, it's like rusted to shit.
The car has never seen anywhere else except Nevada. That's so bad.
It's just bad quality metal.
And look how small, like look how the taper.
Yeah, it goes,
That's
it goes
so
like from
bad.
3 inch to like 1.5.
I wonder why.
All right, so now we're doing the PRL inlet, this little guy right here. This requires some ECU loosening, 2 bolts, and then a couple of harnesses down here. I want to get this done. I'm hungry and I want a hookah.
I was like, what the fuck is this? Oh, that's fucking...
Okay.
Okay. I mean...
Airbox now?
I don't see any more stuff. There's more clamps. I guess we have to ship better clamps now because this came with the same set as the inlet.
Yeah, we only need 2 more clamps and they're right here. Airbox.
I think these 2 go on the front
Yeah.
for like dress set.
Now the crucial part is getting,
Silicone coupler in place.
well, that and
Oh, that's the
of course I
elbow.
put my fucking flashlight away.
This is where that big boy goes.
Alright, we're trying this again.
It goes about that way. But this goes down
Sure.
like a lot.
Yeah, we're having some trouble here with this fitting properly.
Maybe we have to bend a hard line.
It's a possibility. Have to bend the harness. Snorkel's good. Snorkel's good. Alright, we're finally buttoned it up. This is a bitch, this section right here. This sucks. This is in though, so we're gonna give it a start up. Hopefully everything's plugged in. It's quiet up here, but it sounds good back here. Ooh, sport mode. Demonetized, thank you. Yeah. Every time. He pulls up to the house with the radio on 99. That sounds good. It's much louder. And you hear a lot of turbo now. Very cool. Nice. Big difference. Very nice. Alright, cool. Kill it. Kill it. Battery in the camera's dead again. So you like it? Good? You have 2 seconds to speak.
Love it. I love it. It's so good. Don't buy it.
I love it. I love it. Don't buy it. It just sucks to install.
Yeah.
Hello? That came out nice.
Yeah, that's a good burn.
Cool. Touch the downpipe.
Cerakote sucks.
Did you burn yourself?
Yeah, it's really hot. But the only thing that really there's something called white lightning.
That's the shit that's
You can like
touch
do a
it,
track day
and
and then grab the pipe, and
That's
it's
crazy.
cold.
Alright, cool. Well, that's it. We're done. You're like, I thought it was hydraulic. Wait. Ah. Open it back up again.
Bye, have a great time.